Kacific's GigWifi. You can now have the best of both worlds. Combining Kacific GigStarter and Community Wi-Fi, GigWifi provides affordable, flexible broadband for everyone, for your office as well as the community around you. GigWifi is a 2-for-1 service that is designed for businesses and remote government agencies to enjoy high-quality broadband while creating a connected workplace for up to 7 users in their office or a rural branch at a lesser cost. GigWifi's 7-user unlimited plan offers reliable, high-speed internet up to 50 megabits in speeds. At the same time, on the same system, you can sell individual Wi-Fi data vouchers to nearby businesses or individuals to earn additional revenue. With these vouchers, users will be able to access high-speed internet through a separate Wi-Fi access point with a risk-free and transparent voucher billing system. This is great for hotels, libraries, local stores, cafes, resorts, remote government agencies, and community centers, where visitors or travelers can also access Wi-Fi at any of your hotspot locations. With Kacific GigWifi, you get affordable high-speed internet, easy, low-cost installation, unlimited monthly data for the business plan, and fully managed service. Now, everyone can enjoy the benefits of high-speed internet and unlimited data for less.
Kacific, the heart of broadband.